No, guys, this is till June.
Zachary.
Yes. Kuya is getting milk for who?
Father Christmas. What is
Father Christmas.
Presents off and then he'll be here soon, so we better hurry up and go to bed.
No,
Yeah.
you're just kidding.
No, he's not kidding.
Can I have a biscuit?
Come on.
Presents tomorrow. Give that back to mommy.
Stop. That's my biscuit. Just one.
Just a little bit
No,
of
just
milk.
give him two. No, why did one? No, just give him two.
Because she's not gonna eat it all. Like last
No,
year.
last time we gave them three.
No, two I think.
Yes, we did.
Okay.
What's?
Slowly.
Oh no, this is gonna spill.
Just slow. Do you want me to do what?
Huh?
What's
Mom,
that?
you
Yeah.
have to put that on. You have to put it on the table and pipe it. What?
You're ready na sila. Ilalagay na nila sa table.
Is Father Christmas still watching us?
Yes. You're good.
There's the cards. This one. Oh, for Father Christmas. For Father Christmas. Guys, look.
What you ask?
Look what I made for Father Christmas.
Look. What you ask for Father Christmas?
I got a fireman water, fireman.
You tell them what you ask
I
for.
got fireman lost to the fireman water. I love you guys. Christmas.
Say it.
Merry Christmas.
Yung kumakain siya
What
ng
is this?
sticky rice. Biko. Is it good?
Too sticky.
Yeah. I'm gonna make custard cake. Ayan, i-prepare ko na siya for... Lutuin ko na siya ngayon. I-bake ko na siya ngayon din para for tomorrow. Guys, time check is 1:30 and Merry Christmas everyone! Tapos ko lang mag-bake ng custard cake. Ipakita ko lang to sa inyo bago ako matulog. Yung setup dito sa room ni Holly para sa mga pagbukas nila ng gift. Ayan siya guys. Ayan yung kay Kuya, yung green, yung kay Zach, yung Spider-Man. So yeah, hindi nila alam na magkakaroon silang bagong bike. Ang hiningi ni Zach kay Father Christmas is sunglasses na Spider-Man. Si Kuya Rilo. So yan. Good night. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Stop it. Merry Christmas now. Hello, darling. Merry Christmas. Daddy will wake you up. See, who's in here? Hey, Papa. See? Told you don't wake her up. Get her down. Ginising ni John. Merry Christmas, everyone. Baba say Merry Christmas. Christmas. Merry Christmas. See? Told you don't wake her up.
Sure we won't. You gonna open the presents, Papa?
Gonna open your presents?
You gonna open the
Let's
presents?
see. Huh? She's not. No, she's grumpy. Told you not to wake her up. Merry Christmas, babe. Halik mama, baby. Halik mama. Another mama.
You gonna open the
Merry
presents?
Christmas. she's ignoring you. Why you're ignoring Daddy today? Merry Christmas. Are you ignoring your dad?
Love your daddy.
Love your daddy.
What do you want?
Milk. Pina siya. Oh, may milk na siya. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Where are you going?
It's 7 o'clock.
Huh?
7 o'clock.
Kasi usually yung mga bata, pag walang occasion, ang aga nila magising. Ngayon na hinihintay namin sila magising na maaga. 7 na, hindi pa rin sila gising. Right, Holly? Pumunta na doon si Jam para gisingin sila.
Christmas, Mom.
Merry Christmas, son.
Merry Christmas, Holly. Merry Christmas.
Halik, Kuya. Merry Christmas. Oh, she's drinking milk. Merry Christmas, Kuya. Kuya, Merry Christmas.
I'm still tired.
Are you? Merry Christmas.
He took our cards.
Pardon?
He took our cards.
Did he?
Then
How many biscuits?
He ate one. He ate
Oh,
one.
he ate one.
He didn't finish his biscuit. Dad, he didn't finish the biscuit.
He left one, did he? Must
Yeah.
be in a hurry.
Okay.
Not open it.
Oh no.
Holly.
Come here, Holly.
Wait till
Holly
Daddy.
started too.
Yeah.
Wait.
Holly.
Everyone close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Side. Close your
And
eyes. Close.
Open.
Open. Woo!
What's a blind man by here? Dad! What? I have a bad
Do you?
You have a bad break.
Back and front.
Dad.
Oh, was that dog? Mom, I have a bad. Oh, no!
Wow. What's that, Holly?
I have a big bite too.
Yep,
Huh?
What's that?
So you only do that when you're riding.
You got dog?
See, that's on the
Oh,
street.
you're kissing.
I hope you need a present.
Holly.
So that's what I'm doing.
Dog?
Straight.
Ask Daddy to get the dog.
Why do I have it? Why do I? Hey, over here, check me out.
No, you just put your hand in here.
How's
When
your
you're riding.
How's your bike?
Do that when you're pedaling.
It's so cute.
Huh?
That's a,
And Kuya?
Look.
what happened to
What did
Bob?
you say?
Look.
What did you say?
Shockers.
Hey, Dad, what?
See?
Oh, yeah. I said thank you. How do I do this?
Go. Can you get the dogs out, babe? Get a.
Just wait till we go outside when you ride.
I don't wondered why.
What's the Holly?
You gotta.
Why? Why did I?
Tell Daddy. Ask Daddy to get the dogs out from the box. Back.
You got a back brake and that front brake. Here. That's the front.
The block right there. This is.
That's the back. You know how you like when you ride one?
Bob.
I have a Spider-Man one. Can you give me that big one?
No, I don't know who's that one.
Oh, just give me. I want to open it.
Because you need it for grip.
How do you do that on donuts?
Wow.
Hey guys, look at mine. Mine is fun.
Oh, you're kissing your dog.
Dad!
Kick it up that way.
Dad! Dad, look at my big bite.
Just so mine up.
Why do I have a big bite now? I don't have big now.
Is that right? Can you show me touch the
Honey, look at Holly. She's really like it. Dad, look at her.
Dad, look at
Wow.
Dad, look at that.
That's all your gears. Because on one, it's real quick.
Dad,
On one, it's real quick. And then when you get
I
up
don't
to 7,
have
it's real
one.
fast.
know. Mom.
Mm.
This is easy. Dad, this is easy. I immediately touch it.
Yeah. Holly, come on.
Go sit down there, please.
Put the doggy down.
Open there.
Nothing to do it. Open.
Start the ball, teacher.
Welcome.
And look.
What's you get?
Spider-Man shooter. Mommy,
Yeah.
I like it.
Huh? You like it? Show it to the people here.
Yeah.
Put me paws, put your paws.
For Holly, for Holly, for Holly. Guys, I have a Spider-Man shooter.
What's that?
Well, I'm gonna put it on my butt. I didn't gonna leave it like that.
Zachary.
Mommy,
Oh, magic word.
thank you.
Hey, Baba. Come over here, Baba.
Tyron.
Where's Holly?
Yeah.
Where's Holly?
Oh, yay! Yes. It's coming. Oh, yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. Holly, this is for Holly.
I know.
Holly.
Well, best.
This for
That's all about best.
backyard.
Oh, presents? Where's your presents? Where's Holly?
Daddy,
Hey,
no,
Holly.
this present for you. Mommy, there's one for me there. Open it. There's
This
for
one for you.
And there's another
Yeah,
one.
this one first.
Oh, wait, Mommy.
And this
Oh, Dad, you have the
Zachary.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah. I'm gonna go swimming next time.
How do you buy it?
What's this? Star Wars weapon. Oh, I have one too.
Yeah.
Where?
else?
I got the white one.
This is
Yeah,
for
white
Holly.
No! I guess it's me and yours.
This is
Yeah,
you and
Papa.
yours. Open it.
Mom, hello, people, look. For Holly. Dad, for Holly.
Hey, Holly.
Then close your eyes.
Okay, I will close my eyes.
Can I open it for you?
Yes, you can.
Can you do this first? Is that all for us?
Thank you. Thank you, Zach.
Mommy,
Oh, wow.
yay! I have the same like Kobe! I have the same like Kobe.
Open it.
Bye.
6.
Wow, look at. Look, she's gonna come.
How much?
Wow, who's this girl?
You want Baba?
Put on the left hand. Goes on your left hand.
This is the right hand.
It's the left.
It's the left, Kuya.
Right. Go right that way, left of that way.
All this mess here. Look at that.
Yeah.
Money!
Yes.
Money!
We got money.
Gooey! Can I bring this to school?
Tumba niya yung
And my wallet?
GoPro.
I need a launcher. But I'll buy you in a minute.
Cool.
Close your eyes. Your eyes.
Here?
No.
Open?
No.
What?
Your chair.
Merry Christmas, Baba.
Oh, wow! We got new chair.
This one not broken now.
Wow! Thank you. This
gonna
is
try more.
cool. We can eat breakfast here.
Yes.
Wow. Where you get that from? I have no idea. May bago kaming upuan dito sa ano. Oh, wow! It's Spain. Woo!
I want to go on one.
Woo! Wow, this is nice.
Really?
Nice, huh? This is nice. I have no idea that you're gonna get this one back. Where did you assemble this, Bob? Is this what you did last night? Wow.
Hey, you gotta put your
Yes.
hand right. Like that.
Zach, are you there? Mom.
Yeah. OMG, you got lots.
Dad. Dad, look at mine. I have.
You got to let me
I
see.
need front of Christmas.
Now.
Oh, this is itchy.
Just wait.
No. No.
Oi, righto.
Woo! Where? AJ. Hello. No. Bye. No.
Look at Zachary. Look at Zach.
Guys!
That's enough. I said wait when we get to Auntie Mel.
The day.
I love my new chair here.
I like my new this.
See? This is so cool.
Put water with this one. Put water in it, pump it up.
Oh, wow. That's why 2 and 1.
Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas.
People, come on.
What did you do? Nothing?
Oh my gosh, like, tinatanong kayo guys kung ano nakuha nyo.
Mom, how do you put this thing?
Okay, wait. Kuya's gonna try his new bike.
Hi, Ben.
Wow.
You can change gears so you can go number 3.
I'm on number 3.
Go number 4. One click. One.
One at a time, Kuya.
I got on to 4.
Go to 4.
Just go to 4. But you have to paddle.
Help! 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 What time put it?
Zach gonna try his new bike as well. Okay, go, Kuya.
Show us
Go.
how you ride a bike.
Go, Zach.
Yeah, you done the back one. I nearly done the skin. Dad nearly done the skin.
Look at
Dad,
Zach.
nearly done the skin.
Well done, Zach.
Really scared. Back brakes.
Back brakes.
Uh,
Daddy, this one's going fast.
huh?
This one's going fast.
Right.
Right, good. I'm on 3. I'm a big boy. It only runs going fast. Yeah.
This is not too hard.
Probably a bit hard.
It's hard on the grass, love.
Yeah.
It's good for me.
Look at Kuya.
I use my back foot. Go fast.
Yeah, I don't know. Should have got that one. One like that.
Yeah.
My daddy.
To think that he's a strong boy.
Daddy, this really comes so fast. I want to hide. I want to pass by. I want to.
Nagko-complain si Zach.
Huh?
I want to bring my Tia hat.
The what?
Go really fast. If you want to one like that.
Now that goes fast.
Yeah.
No, this,
Maybe next time.
next to hiding this holder. On the front, my
Oh, that
butt.
goes fast.
Come on.
Honey.
It's just got to loosen up a bit, go through there. Is that through hard pedal?
It is. It's hard to pedal yung kay Soft.
I'll tell you that if he's powered with
Yeah,
his
look
gears.
Look at Kuya TJ.
What's wrong, Bubba?
But that one's not gonna fit for Zach yet, right?
No, but there's one down.
Why you didn't get that one?
Oh, I'm inspired, man.
Yeah, but she wants to be like Kuya now.
Cool bike, man. Well done.
Wow. Look, it's gonna be really fast like Kuya.
That's not it.
Because Kuya is 6, you're only 4. Remember that.
Well, I'm only
You will be fast soon as well, like Kuya.
I don't really faster.
Yes. It's getting faster now.
My town, I want a different
Hey, Dad.
tiles.